Warm up and cool down. These are two terms that I hear and see sometimes get a little confusing for people. You should always go into a class warmed up. Reason you should always arrive early. I've heard some dancers try to use the excuse that they have had heat blasting in their car, that, as I've already mentioned previously in the year, does not count as a warm up. That is more of a superficial heat. You have not actually gotten your limbs moving and your joints loosened up and your muscles engaged and thinking about the movements at hand. When we talk about a cool down, not every class has a very set cool down. Sometimes this is left up to the dancer when they exit class to bring their body back into more of a rested state. Other times, the class may have a very set cool down, and it's something to bring your body back into more of a kind of chill state, so to speak, where you've done all these movements to get blood flowing and you've been jumping around, you've been really moving. At this point, you're probably sweating a lot in class. The cool down helps you to let your muscles ease back into more of a stagnant state. And that doesn't mean that they're just like not doing anything. It's a way to get your muscles to just be at ease. This is super important whether you are doing this on your own or this is part of your class, because you never want to just stop movement when you are done with class or rehearsal or anything like that. It can cause your muscles to kind of tweak out on you. So cool downs are super important for the start of your recovery period, then post rehearsal or class, or shows for that matter. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about who's who in the dance world. I will see you then.